Guys, what's up?
It's Mark. Check it out. This is a 2010 Jeep Wrangler Sport. Just got it out of the detail shop. Check it out.
Here we go. 3.8 liter V6 engine, automatic transmission, two-door. It's got a very aggressive stance to it. It's got a lift kit on it. It's a suspension lift kit with a set of BFGoodrich all-terrain tires wrapped around a set of gorgeous fuel wheels. Really nice look to it. It's got a unique look to it. Not too extreme, not too minimal. It's just right. These are on a 285/70 17-inch tire. Brand new, pretty much. The nipples are still on it. Look at those beautiful nipples on that. Phew! Like I said, it's 3. Check it out. I'll let you guys look for yourself. Watch this. Ready? Watch. Look how nice the paint is. I'm gonna keep this video short so I can move on. Look at that. She is pretty. Never been in the mud. I'm gonna say that again. Never been in the mud. Look at the back side of the engine, the firewall. Look at all the hinges and stuff like that right here. Look at all the under the hood. It's gorgeous. The Jeep's in great shape. 3.8 liter V6 engine, like I was saying. The winch is hooked up to it. It's got a whole bunch of goodies on it, so I'm gonna go kind of quick with you guys. Stay with me here. Ready? These Jeeps, guys, these are kick-ass. If you guys want something that can climb shit, boom, right here. The incline descent, the line of descent right here is like, it's like the Hummer. It's like, boom, it's right there. You can go up to a freaking brick wall, basically, and climb these with these son of a bitches. They're super nice. It's got a Smittybilt XRC winch on it. I believe this is a 8,000-pound winch, if I'm not mistaken. Something like that, but read up on it. It's got the guide plate right here, XRC guide plate. It's got a set of worn searchlights on it, rope, winch rope, sport. It's a nice Jeep. Let's check it out. Ready? Automatic transmission. Here's the inside. Just got it detailed. Look at it. It's still kind of wet. I got to put the heat on and let it dry out in here. 129,000 miles on it. Double DIN Kenwood CD player, Bluetooth. All the inside super clean and super nice. Never been beat. It's always been taken really good care of. No fat asses here, guys. Check this out. Super nice. Look at that edge. No rips. There's the VIN number. Where is it at? Boom. Somewhere in there. Yeah, there it is. Okay. So here's the underside of the Jeep. No mud, nothing. You can see all up under here. Look at that. It's in great shape. Follow it all around. Look at the frame. It's gorgeous. So here's a few extras going with it, guys. It's starting to rain out. Full size spare, 5th wheel spare. You can see straight through the new top. It's a Quadratec, I believe. Yeah, Quadratec top, brand new. Comes with Quadratec mats, fairly new. Comes with a tuner right here. You get a ProCal module. Comes with a brand new Smittybilt winch module box up top. Comes with worn light covers. Comes with 2 tops, a soft top or another top and a kind of a Bimini top, I guess you'd call it. Comes with the mirrors right here that you can bolt on when you take the doors off. Guys, there's a whole bunch of good stuff on this Jeep, and it's priced friggin' kick-ass too. It's got a receiver right here, so with the cap, really nice. But if you have any questions, holler at me. Check it out, 540-848-2974. This is Mark with the 2010 Jeep Wrangler Sport. It's got I'd say about a minimal suspension lift, if any, on it. Probably a level and carry. Who knows? Something small, probably 2-inch or whatnot. But it's nice, clean. It runs and drives great. 80 miles an hour, 90 miles an hour, which I've taken it up to. Smooth as an arrow. So hope you guys like this one, because I do. I'm actually driving it home next time the sun's out when I'm taking the doors off. So check it out. Holler at me if you got any questions. 540-848-2974. This is Mark signing out. Hope everybody's doing great. Peace out. A-Town.